The LG 1000 BTU Window AC is a powerful unit capable of cooling spaces up to 450 square feet, making it perfect for medium to large rooms. With its dual inverter technology, this air conditioner provides up to 35% more energy savings, ensuring efficient performance and lower electricity bills. Operating at a low sound level of 44 decibels, the unit offers a quiet environment that is barely noticeable, even during sleep mode. Smart connectivity through Wi-Fi allows users to control the air conditioner remotely via the LG ThinQ app or through voice commands using Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. The easy installation process is facilitated by an included window kit, and the washable dust filter helps maintain optimal performance with minimal effort. The eco-friendly R32 refrigerant and the auto restart function ensure that the air conditioner is both environmentally conscious and reliable during power outages.